For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Weight loss is a big concern for many and is often the first priority in their fitness plan. Many people have struggled with weight loss at one period in their lives. Many people also find themselves bombarded with weight loss advice from family and friends. Weight loss is not easy and it requires discipline, effort, and patience. It can be achieved by a healthy lifestyle, which includes the right diet and regular physical activity. Most people have a misconception that a weight loss diet requires drastic diets such as intermittent fasting, 10-week diet, keto diet, or health supplements such as medicines or pills. However, this is wrong. One requires a balanced diet with the right proportions of all food groups. The weight and size of your body shouldn't be a cause of concern to you unless it poses health risks. Therefore, you must follow a healthy diet that best suits your body and that meets your requirements. Every person has a different metabolism rate, and the way his or her body reacts to a certain kind of diet is subjective. An Indian diet chart for weight loss in 7 days is very effective because Indian meals are balanced. Indian meals include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and fibers in required proportion. For those who tend to put on weight, it is essential to focus on the types of food they consume. However, it is equally important not to starve and minimize the consumption of food. If you're worried about your rapid weight gain problems, here are a few Indian foods which help in weight loss. The Indian gooseberry, popularly known as amla, is a rich source of vitamin C. Consuming a glass of amla juice in an empty stomach will help your digestive tract in getting rid of all the toxins. If the digestive system is healthy, it boosts metabolism, which in turn comes in handy for burning calories effectively. Avoid eating refined food grains and embrace whole grains such as brown rice, jao ka atta, ragi atta, kutto atta, and singare ka atta. Food prepared using these grains make you feel full and prevent hunger frequently. Opting healthy fats like coconut oil and milk, mustard or sesame oil, and pure desi cow ghee will help you not to gain weight. These foods might appear more like weight gain, but in reality, they are healthy fats. Sprouted lentils like green moong, chickpeas, black-eyed peas, kidney beans, etc. are rich in nutrients. Fresh green vegetables are rich in nutrients. Eating veggies that are high on nutrients and less on calories are best choice to lose weight. Veggies like bitter gourd, tomatoes, cabbage, garlic, radish, cauliflower, beetroot, carrot, and a lot more help in losing weight and maintaining your stomach full.